Hi loves, it's your lady Nicole and I'm back. Come to give you guys my honest review on the Huntie Vibes Tea by Femme Detox. Y'all, this tea is everything. Everything. So, yeah, if you want to know my honest review, continue watching the video. This tea is everything for a woman who has hormonal imbalances, stress, memory, is not all the way there all the time. A woman, we need to be kept and just cared for. So this brand, this tea truly, I feel healed me. So before I start talking about the tea, let me give you a little bit of history about the company Femme Detox. So it was created by Shashika Tyree Hill. Everything that is used in these products is 100% natural, 100% organic, and so you can never go wrong going natural. I mean, your body may have some symptoms of detoxing, but that's perfectly fine when it comes to natural things. A natural solution for women who have allergies when it comes to chemicals, just finding the right products to use down there. But today I'm talking about just something simply just by starting the tea, not even a body wash. Okay, she has a plethora of different collections on her site. I'm going to show you guys in a second, but the product I received is a Huntie Vibes Tea. It helps you cleanse, it nourishes and support the feminine productive system. It aids in vaginal and hormonal balancing, fertility support, memory enhancing, and other things, you guys. As soon as I drank this tea, I was kind of skeptical. I'm not gonna lie, because I'm like, who drinks tea for vaginal health? Like, I wasn't there. My mind wasn't there. I was just like, okay, I'll try it. And a little backstory. This may be a little too much information, but I suffer with PCOS, and so I don't always get my period on time. It'll probably be like a month and a half, 2 months. But when I was younger, I only got a period once a year. Not pregnant, okay? Just hormone imbalancing. So when I got the tea in the mail, I drank the tea. No later than 3 days later, I got my period, you guys. I was like, what? I was like, the tea works. The tea absolutely works. I was just surprised. I was just like, oh my God. I started to see the results from drinking the Huntie Vibes Tea. I was just like amazed. I was like, oh my God, let me message her and let her know that I got my period. So the Huntie Vibes Tea, you get 50 grams of tea in here, which is 10 bags. And the ingredients in this bag is langan, red dates, dried ginger, roses, goji berries, and you guys, let me show you the tea bag. I wasn't expecting this. The tea bags actually look like silk. I love it. It reminds me of Tivana's tea bags, and all of the ingredients that's on the back of the bag, you could literally identify all of them. It's not like a tea that's blended up and you don't know exactly what you're drinking, but you could literally go through and identify each and every one of the ingredients in this tea. And the taste, it tastes really good. It literally tastes like ginger tea to me. All I do is add a little bit of honey. Sometimes I add a little condensed sweet milk to add. It's amazing. Don't knock it till you try it. It's amazing. So when you add a little of the sweet condensed milk to it, it gives it a whole different flavor. It's like so good. And I just love it. So let me tell you guys a little bit more about the company Femme Detox. So on the Femme Detox website, you can find so many other products and just bundles that she put together that really help with balancing out the pH in in your body, cleansing, moisturizing, steaming the yoni. It's just, she has a wide variety of things that anyone can use. She has something on here for everyone. So, just to name a few, she has yoni pearls, yoni steaming herbs, different Femme oils and moisturizing cleansing bars. She has all different kind of bath soaks and oils and just teas, all kinds of things that will literally, help keep the pH, the hormonal imbalances, everything down to a low. She has everything on here to take care of your feminine hygiene, you guys. Also, do not be a stranger. Please go and follow them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And I'll put the information here for you guys and down in the description bar. I'll also link the website. And also, don't forget to sign up for their email list so you will know exactly when they're having a sale. Let's support this black business, okay? Thank you guys for watching. And now in the next clip, you're going to see exactly how I prepare my Femme Detox tea, and hope you enjoy. So here, you guys, you see I have my Huntie Vibes Tea, and I'm going to use 1 tea bag as per the directions on the back of the bag. And I'm going to get some hot water and pour in about a cup of water and allow that to steep for 3 to 5 minutes. So now I'm going to use my pure raw honey from S&K, and I'm going to pour at least a tablespoon of honey into the tea. And after you stir it, you can enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please go and purchase your Huntie Vibes tea, all of your yoni pearls, at FemmeDetox.com. See you later, love.